So here we need to express each of the following sets in the set builder form. Let's begin with the first one. So we have a set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now clearly these are all natural numbers. So we can express, so let's call it the set A. So we can express the set A as the set containing the elements x, such that x belongs to the set of natural numbers and x has the value less than or equals to 6. Now this is not going to be the only way to express the given set in the set builder form. We can also express it as A is the set containing the natural numbers n, such that n value belongs to the set of natural numbers and n is less than let's call it 7. So there are several ways of writing the given set in the set builder form. Okay, let's go to the second one. So here what we have is a set containing the elements which are reciprocal of natural numbers. Now that means we can call it the set B. So set B is the set containing the elements x, such that x is given as the reciprocal of the natural number n, where n belongs to the set of natural numbers. And this is how we can express the given set B in terms of the set builder form. Or we can also express it as B is the set containing the reciprocal of n, such that n belongs to the set of natural number. This is a more compact way of writing the given set in the set builder form. Coming to the third one, so let's call it set C. So set C contains the element x, such that now if we observe the elements of the given set, we can see that all of these are multiples of 3. So here what we can see that x will be equals to 3 times let's call it A. Now here we have to be careful of what values of A we'll be choosing. So here let's say A belongs to the set of integers, but we'll be considering only the positive integers. So here and 0, we will not be considering the negative integers. So what we'll do, we'll take the set of all integer values, and from it if we subtract all the negative integers value, so that will correspond to the positive integers value including 0. So this is how we can express the set C in the set builder form. Now coming to the fourth one, so here we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So clearly these are all integer, these are all positive integers value, or we can say these are also natural numbers. So let's first consider them to be the set of natural numbers. So what we'll do, D is a set containing the set of numbers x, such that x belongs to the set of natural numbers and x must lie between positive 10 and positive 15. So here 10 and 15 are going to be included. Or what we can do, we can say that D is a set of the elements A, such that A belongs to the set of positive integers with A lying between positive 10 and positive 15. So this is also another way of expressing the given set in the corresponding set builder form. And finally, number 5, we have a set which contains only the element 0. So what we can do, we can call it the set E containing the element x, such that x equals to 0.